would like to demonstrate using a virtual desktop connecting to a Smartboard and with a classroom application. Just need to log in. As you can see, the light on the Smartboard is gone green, which means it's connected. But to give you a demonstration of how this works in the classroom. Okay, this is Vmware View5, client running on a repurposed Dell. We have this hooked up to it's an SB600 series Smartboard. Here's an application using the Smartboard in a math class. We have the graph y equals x squared minus x minus 6. We use the graphing calculator. The students have it. And with this on the board, we can actually help the students graph this curve using table values. We can see it over here. We can even see it as the graph itself. And using the table values, we can plot the points. Looking over there. And so this is an interaction with the students and the teacher, demonstrating how to graph a parabola with the assistance of the graphing calculator. We can even use the graph itself to help us verify what it is we discover. Okay, I'll show you another application. If you're a science teacher, you're talking about planets. There are a lot of resources online. Netflix, I have a Netflix account, and I went on there and I was watching a movie about planets. What's nice about Netflix, it picks up where I left off. So I was watching this movie, and it comes up right here. I can bring it right back to the beginning.
They've been...
It's been one of those prevalent questions throughout history. This was the first time we would look at...
As you can see, the quality
any life other than
is excellent.
life here on here.
So you're still on the virtual desktop.
Can you imagine what it was like at that moment when the team, myself, that
Years, we might be going there, drilling down and pulling out those remains and seeing what's there. Suppose we find...
So as you can see, the video applications using Netflix was very nice, smooth. If you're a social studies teacher, you want to talk about current events, you can go to YouTube. Say you're talking about something current like Occupy Wall Street. I've linked to a YouTube video clip.
Occupy Wall Street, day 6. There are still several hundred on the streets of New York's financial district. They are still ignored by those who presumably support them, by those who oppose them, by those who should seemingly just be reporting on them. Why? Back with my plan to count down for your visit to Occupy Wall Street.
We are...
Once again, you can just jump right through and pick up.
They know, and the smart rich know, they can only build the gate so high.
As you can see, that the online video clips come in very nicely, very smoothly. What I'd like to do is I'm going to put in right now a DVD just to show you what happens when you put a DVD in, how smooth it looks. You're an English teacher and you're talking about the book of Mice and Men. I just put a disc in, a DVD. There you go, he loads it up from the desktop. So you can see the quality is there, does a great job.
That's good. It's good. Light.
So as a classroom teacher, I got to say that this delivers all the things that we want, and does a great job.